morning. So starting with GU. So yesterday we were having this counter trend maintain this area in here, and we were looking for some sort of breakout, either up or down. So originally we were kind of more on a selling bias, but because of how it was forming on H4 and such, yeah, you didn't really want to take that risk once it started doing that. And once it really broke this level right here, along with this counter trend line, yeah, it gave you enough indication that, okay, it is possibly starting to push up, especially the fact that we were at a area that was resistant to downturn support and 23.6%. So we had two confluences right there based off simply the higher time frame. So where we're at right now is we are on this push, right, with 23.6%. Yeah, let's see how this candle forms. Hopefully we can get some sort of entry and pull down. To be honest, I was in a trade last night and I got stopped out, and you don't know how mad I am about it, because man, it would have been sweet. Yeah, I think I entered here. Yeah, I got stopped out, I think, like 12 pips, something like that. And I missed all of this. So, it happens. Alright. So, let's see if we can get a resistance right in here for H1, and we can go from there. GJ. Similar situation where it was respecting 23.6%. Now we were wanting a nice transition right in here first off, but it didn't happen. It continued this minor downtrend. Once it started doing all of this, right, we could drop down to M15. See the fact that it was maintaining a level of support. Been able to draw some sort of counter trend line. Yeah, I would really call that out right there. Yeah, this would have been a lot of time frame correlation. Yeah, broke a level of M5 right in here. Yeah, correlating it with probably like H1 exhaustion. Entry probably right here. Yeah, only 7-8 pips of drawdown, and then yeah, boom. So this is also maintaining 23.6%. So let's see if we can get, hopefully we can get some sort of entry. But the way that it's forming, it's just going to push up. Same thing, like right in here, just push. AU. So we were more on a short-term selling bias. At 30. I'll try and get, it's all about accuracy. So again, 23.6%. Even look at the volume. So sorry, I have a cat that's going crazy. So with that being said, we see that it broke a minor level right here, correlating that one with H4, and then seeing H1 was maintaining all of this, and then this all of this where it was found a level of support, and then higher low points on H1. Right, your bias would have start to change a little bit. So that was 23. Yeah, this could have been entry, to be honest, and you would have just, you know, maintained the drawdown. Or if seeing that got you scared a little bit, you could have drew a counter trend line and then entered off of something like this. But yeah, we are starting to now change our bias. Let's just keep this fib right in here. So this is our lower time frame fib. So we know that this was the lower high point right in here. So as long as it maintains this area, we are good to continue this uptrend. Alright. Still. Yeah. I'm still trying to aim for this resistance, but ultimately we are trying to go for negative 27%. Alright. And then nice little dirty thud. Oops. Wrong. So we were stating that we gotta be cautious right in here, even though with all this exhaustion, never ever broke anything. Finally broke a level of resistance. Right? So we have the ability to draw out our minor fib. I'm not gonna go all the way down here. This is like more like news, like actual yeah, I want to keep it on an actual level of support. So broke out here. Now this isn't really I'm not really liking this too much, to be quite honest. And we do see a resistance, but yeah, I'm not necessarily liking this too much, but also seeing how it's forming too. Like, yeah, we just got to be cautious right in here. So M15 is maintaining this minor downtrend right here. M15, M30. So let's just see and find a transition. Then we can go from there and see if it's gonna maintain this level of support right in here. Alright. So that's about it. Let's have a good day, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.